Blaming the double-engine BJP-led government, the India Bloc convener Khitrimiyam Santa said people have suffered due to the failures of proper implementation of policies. If it continues the fascist way function, Santa stated that there are chances of the country may even disintegrate. Speaking further at a press conference held at Congress Bhavan in presence of leaders of India Bloc, Khitrimiyam Santa opined that the year-long crisis of Manipur is now biggest issue facing the state of Manipur. Various voices from different parts of the country have been calling for an end to the violence. The crisis has proven that the BJP tries to portray opposition parties as anti-national, claimed Khitrimiyam Santa. The BJP has tried to win the ongoing Lok Sabha elections by force. Santa added that the India Bloc will continue to work towards unity of India.
Manipur Bharat Madu Hat Patupa Amato Hegalaise, Machine Sudan, Satarabudi, Bharat Majeta, we value. Adnakoina, Apun Bharat Magidamta, Akan Bharat Magidamta, Bharat integrity and unity, Laina Vidamta, India Bro Manipurna, Akonagani, Lona, how we was a Yamada, War Kiba, Akoi Wan Kiba, Akoi Sinao. Kaya hat kiba, sati kaya hat kiba, abe mi lising pumra, mi makai thadok tan selan kiba, le liba, mika miracle singse, hanana ba, kona bada koi Manipuri liba, India Brona, tungdasu, yamasauna, koi sangsin gigani.
Also speaking at the press meet, working president of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee K.S. Devabrata came down heavily on the BJP-led double-engine government for not resolving the year-long crisis. The government is unable to even punish the culprits behind the crisis. Devabrata did not mince words in blaming Union Home Minister Amit Shah for not being able to announce implementation of NRC in Manipur in his 20-minute long speech. If a non-BJP government comes to power at the centre, the crisis in Manipur may end, added Devabrata.
Crisis asi loisanba ngamdre, crisis asi da daita loriba mi sing adusu ain ge matungina ain sing du siznaraga mari leinaba irang si buthogaliba mi sing adu phadana dandi piba ngamdre SIT mayam ama sempiba judicial probe or court na appoint toba probe agency sing atawada mathau kayama haigar basu madu thabak pangthok ngamdre illegal migrants sing khandok page ain Chalai Hanava, Haunava, Lang Ngamdre, Sri Amit Shah Lapaganda, Amuta Hayalo, NRC, BJP, Mapung Hana, support of Gadi, NRC, Manipur, Sanangani, Lapolo Mohavada, Minikun Padana Wanga, Siangiduni, Oidamata Lemba, Sayin, Waring Mayam, Levak Chalai, Yaroi, Aduna, war against drugs of fellow state ki, government ki, war against drugs Sathari Ba. Lalong adu da yauriba state ki forces samata popi cultivated area singda popi thawe area singda chalaga thabak tawang ngamdraba kanda chidai da leiba amari da chalaga yam thalaga video thagat panadi yaroi